at Kellanova. One of the main challenges that we had was the size of the display. The displays that we had were just not optimal, and people wanted more real estate and wanted to work more effectively in the office.
Insight are a leading solutions integrator. We've worked with Kellanova for over 6 years. Philips are Insight's chosen partner for monitor technology. Their products are always cutting edge, and it made sense that actually a brand as strong as Kellanova needed a brand that was equally viable.
Philips Monitors is a global leader in the monitor market. After speaking to Kellanova, we wanted to understand what was the issues and how we could fix it for them. So we did lots of test and development across multiple products, and they came to the conclusion that they really loved the 34-inch solution screen. It did everything that they wanted at a desk environment.
The quality of the Philips monitors is absolutely fantastic. It's one cable for everything. So you plug in one cable into the laptop, it provides charge, keyboard, mouse, monitor, it all just instantly works.
I love the Philips monitors, they're great, the widescreen especially. It really helps us with the role that I do. In artwork planning we do a lot of comparing different artworks, and it's just so much easier to compare when they're on the widescreen as opposed to two separate screens.
We've had some guests come in, and the first thing that they do is they notice the screen and they say, wow, that's a huge screen.
You can do split screen, so it makes my job a lot easier because I can just put two spreadsheets together and copy and paste.
I'm a senior recruiter in our HR team. Sometimes we can get 300 plus applications. So it can be a little bit like you looking at very similar sort of screen and text for quite a long time. Having a good quality screen is really helpful.
The product is made with 90% recyclable material as well. On board you have power sensors and proximity sensors, which are always working to make sure the screen is correctly using its power. So you're looking at potentially about 60 to 65% cost saving of electrical use at desk. We don't look at it as a screen. It's about an environment, it's about the connectivity, it's about the experience that you're gaining.
Comparing them to the old screens we used to have, I remember you used to come to work and you used to have to try and line them up, plug in different leads, whereas now it's just one lead plugged in straight away, they're lined up.
I think the quality is absolutely fantastic, the resolution, the fact that the screens are curved, it's just flawless.
You know when a project's a success when everybody from the reseller to the end user is genuinely happy with what's going on and happy to continue the journey. That partnership cannot be underestimated, and that's what Insight and Kellanova did brilliantly by integrating us within their infrastructure and involving us from start to finish.
Being a partner means being able to have open and honest conversations. That means we get the best out of each other.
We value our partners, hence why I still pop in here to the office and making sure they're up to date with the new technology that's coming out. It's a European rollout project, Dublin, Budapest, France, Germany, they're everywhere.
Our initial aim was to really enhance our employee experience with these new monitors, and I think for me it's been a resounding success. We've had nothing but positive feedback, and I would highly recommend Philips monitors to any other company.